Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got in the mail my 2 FabFitFun mystery bundles. So I'm going to film 2 videos today, and then I'll put one up right away after I film, and I'll probably do one next week. So without any further ado, here is the first bundle. And here is the number for those of you who keep track of those things. I'm just going to cut the bag open so I can never get the knots undone on these. It's like a cloth fabric and they tie it really tight. Okay. Oops. Taking the camera with me. So the first thing is this Coco Floss. Strawberry and orange. So that's pretty cool. I've seen these before. I never got them, but I thought they were interesting and I might like to try them someday, so now I'm actually going to get the chance. Pretty neat. I'll set that to the side. And next thing here, just some barrettes, or like kind of bobby pin style, and they say peace and love. Okay, so the next item out, 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows. It looks like a brow kit from $1 Billion Brows. And then you get the brow powder and the eyebrow brush. And the final item is wrapped up. So I'll just get that open. And this is the Sensuals Facial Serum, Vitamin C. It has hyaluronic acid. I know I just said that completely wrong. And it's also got stem cells. I wonder if it smells like orange. I would like that. I'll have to give it a try. It looks interesting. I haven't actually heard of this one before, so if you have and you've tried it, why don't you give me a shout out in the comments. Let me know how it worked for you. I am kind of eager to try it, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that was bundle number 1, 4 items. I'll just lay them out here once more. So that was a fun bundle to get, and I will see you back in a few days for my package number 2, and we'll see what's in that one. Take care and have a great weekend.